Hi there, I'm Angela Mejia-Moore with Rediscover Literacy, and today I'm going to dive in and show you why making predictions is so crucial to a child's reading comprehension. So let's get started. The reason why making predictions is so important is because it helps set the stage for students to monitor their own comprehension. Predicting requires the reader to use clues from the text and their own knowledge. Therefore, making these predictions will help keep your reader's mind engaged, and that's exactly what we want. When we're making predictions, we have before we read predictions, and that purpose is to serve that they scan the text. They use the text features, the titles, the pictures, the captions, the headings, and they're asking the question, what will this text be about based on those clues? And then during our reading, we're making predictions and we're addressing what will happen next. Those are predictions that we want to be based on text evidence, because what we see, unfortunately, is that struggling readers often make predictions that are not logical. So instead, we want to get them using the text to justify their predictions, and this way it holds the child accountable. As parents, you might want to help your child with using text evidence by providing a scaffold such as, my prediction is this. I made this prediction because the text says this. And then that way they can fill in the blanks. After they get done reading, this is where they want to check those predictions. And you're teaching them on the ones that they got wrong to go back to the text and find out where was the breakdown. And that is a really good skill, because students think that they can read something one time and then be done with the text. So right away, this is already training your child to know that good readers do go back and reread. So let's take a look at this graphic organizer that lays it out in 3 columns. The first column is my predictions. The middle column is the text evidence that they find. And then the third column is really used for their revisions and their refinements of their predictions. So I hope you've learned why making predictions is so crucial to a child's reading comprehension. For more reading and writing tips, please follow me at Rediscover Literacy.